Good morning to all. I am P. Goslazam, third year Electrical and Electronic Engineering at YC Jameson Government Polytechnic Kuppam. Today I am here to explain a brief presentation on goal setting. Well, before we even begin to talk about this module on goal setting, I would want you to ask yourself these three questions. 1. Have you any goals in life? 2. Have you ever tried to think about or write these goals? And 3. Have you ever reviewed these goals on weekly, monthly or yearly time period? Okay, well, if you have answered no each of these questions, now discuss in this presentation. Goal setting. So let us get started. What is effective guidelines about what exactly is goal, how to set goals, and how to make a real wonderful action plan for yourself to achieve your dreams and your goals. In this topic agenda, defining goals and goal setting, why most of people doesn't set a goal, why goals fails, types of goals and smart goals. This is the sub modules of goal setting. Now goal setting and goal definition. Now I have to define what exactly is a goal, and dictionary definition is a goal says a goal is a point marking the end of a race on object of effect or ambition. It's like a final destination which we want to achieve. And really go to goal setting, it is defined as the process of deciding what you want to do in life and also deriving a plan to achieve what you want to achieve. Goal set, my friends, is a very powerful tool. It will help you give a direction to your life, and once you have a direction in your life, life becomes even more enjoyable to live. Next one, why most of people doesn't set goals. And I understand the reasons why a lot of people doesn't set a goals. Well, there are a lot of researches done on these particular reasons, and some of these reasons are: first one, pessimistic attitude. Well, lot of people think a negative about goals, and they feel that why do we really have to set a goal? It's a little negative to set a goals for themselves. Fear of failure. The fear of failure, this is a reason why a lot of people fear that they will have failure in their life to set their goals. Ignorance. Ignorance about the importance of goals. They don't really know it is importance of goal setting, and hence they do not really set goals. Lack of knowledge about the goal setting. A lack of knowledge about goal setting, they don't really know where to start, how to go about this entire process of goal setting. And fourth one, a lot of people lack ambition. Now by lacking a mission of really trying to say that persons are very comfort in their comfortable zone, they don't want to challenge themselves, they don't have any good ambition to achieve. Low self esteem, they don't think really high about themselves, and that's why they don't set a goal. And last but not least, if they're having a rejection. Finally, this is the reasons why people don't set a goal. Next topic, why goals fail. Might have even set a goal, goals tends to fail. The reason why goals fails is probably you have not written down the goal. Goal is to be goal needs to be written down in present tense, not have any rewards for yourself. Also maybe a reason why a goal fails not realistic. You may self very unachievable goals for yourself. Well, that failure of setting these goals, your goals may keep changing or might have one goal on one day. After then, the day you might change the goal to another thing. Well, the mind and the brain gets confused in regards. It can be a failure of setting goal. No accountable and ownership if you don't set the goals and take accountability and ownership for them. It leads to be failure of goals wells. I am saying set goals for yourself, not for parents, not for business, not for managers, not for friends. Set goals yourself because only then you will have accountability and ownership for the goal. This is about why goals fails. Why set goals? You can control your life. You can focus on the important things. You will make good decisions. You will be self confident. You are closer to progress and success. And types of goals: long term goals, short term goals, and medium term goals. The medium term goals set for 3 to 5 years and can be achieved in 3 or 5 years. And short term goals, it set only 1 or 2 years to achieve their goals. And long term goals, it must be beyond 5 years and to reach their goals. And smart goal, firstly understand what is the acronym SMART standings. S specific, M measurable, A. Achievable or realistic. T. Timely. Yes, this smart the specific goal set needs to be specific and not general. For it is to be specific, you need to ask yourself certain questions like who, what, where, when, and why. Measurable. Your goals needs to be measured by asking how much, how many, and how will you know when it is accomplished. For example, I want to be rich. Well, how much do you want to be rich? This is a measurable. It is known as measurable. Achievable. My dear friends, it is very important to have a goal which are not very unachievable, hence, because of which you might to be a motivated if you don't achieve it. So your goals needs to be achievable. Realistic. Your goals needs to be realistic. It should be real and relevant to your current situation. It's something that you want to achieve and it was to be relevant to current situation. Next last one, time bond. The time bond is to achieve at a time. We have to set a goal. Your goals must be achieved in the time period. Finally, I conclude this topic here of goal setting. But urging our identifying your goals, your goals make your action plan and achieve your goals. Thank you for providing this best opportunity.